Let's imagine you sell a product with a very volatile cost or purchase price for which you would like to ensure your margin automatically. Odoo allows you to set up complex rules based on purchase prices very easily. This video is going to show you how to do this. So first, let's have a look on our product. We want to change the price. It's going to be the post box. So you see a public sales price of 125, but a cost price of 68. We want to base our price list on this cost price. So let's create a price list specifically for this product. We're gonna use the public price list, and inside the public price list version, create a rule for our post box. Take care to specify the product here and to use a sequence which is before the other rules, so it is not overridden by other rules. So this time we want to base on cost price, and we want a minimum margin of 50%. A margin of 50%, but a minimum margin of $40. Let's save and create a quotation for this to see the impact. Blue Hotel is a public price list. So let's add our post box. And you got the 108. 108 and not 102, because 50% would be 102, but we want a minimum margin of $40, which gives us the 108. With 50% it would be only $34, so this ensures that we got our minimum margin set. So thanks to this tool you can automatically react to price changes and enforce minimum margins. Try it out.